Hello friends, welcome to the new video of VIMAL Innovative. Our company is the manufacturing company of retro side wheel kit. We have fitted our side wheel kit on Activa 6G. You have seen in this video, it is a very compact design, easy for fitting. Our attachments are detachable, so any customer, either since our company is from UP, okay, so if you are from Bihar or you are from Maharashtra, MP, Rajasthan, so our attachments are made in such a way that they are easy to fit. The main USP of our side wheel attachment kit that they are compact, with heavy duty frames, and they are very easy to fit. Also we provide fitting videos and fitting help with the help of video calling. VIMAL Innovative brand is a brand that provides a disabled person easy to maintain vehicle, easy to maintain side wheel kit, as well as very compact design. So whatever the scooter, either it is Activa, Jupiter, Access, Destiny, Zoom or electric vehicle, our attachment kits are easy to fit. So if you are interested in buying, call on the given number on this video. Thank you for watching.